30 English phrases for speaking practice. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. Lakasan mo nga. What time shall I wake you up? What time shall I wake you up? Anong oras kita gigisingin? What brings you to Manila? What brings you to Manila? Bakit nandito ka sa Maynila? I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. Hindi kita gaanong marinig. When do you get off work? When do you get off work? Kailan ka matatapos sa trabaho? I've been there twice. I've been there twice. Dalawang beses na akong nakakarating doon. I brought some food. I brought some food. May dala akong pagkain. Take it off. Take it off. Hubarin mo yan. Just admit it. Just admit it. Aminin mo na kasi. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? Ilan ang anak mo? Can I count on you? Can I count on you? Maaasahan ba kita? I can't find my glasses. I can't find my glasses. Hindi ko makita ang salamin ko. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Nagbago ang isip ko. I wonder what this is. I wonder what this is. Ano kaya to? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Nagbibiro lang ako. Did you count it? Did you count it? Binilang mo ba? It starts at 6 o'clock. It starts at 6 o'clock. Magsisimula yon ng alas 6. I'd like to return this. I'd like to return this. Gusto kong ibalik to. Remind me later. Remind me later. Ipaalala mo sa akin mamaya. I'd like to talk to you if it's possible. I'd like to talk to you if it's possible. Gusto sana kitang makausap. Where can I wash my hands? Where can I wash my hands? Saan ako pwedeng maghugas ng kamay? Find it. Find it. Hanapin mo yon. I can speak French and a little Korean. I can speak French and a little Korean. Marunong akong mag-French tsaka konting Korean. Are you going to stay here for a long time? Are you going to stay here for a long time? Magtatagal ka ba rito? I like watching movies. I like watching movies. Mahilig akong manood ng mga pelikula. It's not raining anymore. It's not raining anymore. Hindi na umuulan. He's totally wasted. He's totally wasted. Lasing na lasing siya. Don't go out. Don't go out. Huwag kang lumabas. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Hindi ko pa alam. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Nararamdaman mo ba?